We were actually the first town in Wales to be given the status of Dementia Friendly community by the Alzheimer Society. It was all supported by the Brecon Town Council, and then a steering group was set up. We started approaching various businesses, offering to go in and do the dementia awareness sessions with the staff. And then I got interested in the schools work, so I've been doing a lot of intergenerational work. And so basically every school in the area is a dementia-friendly school. Some very good things have come out of us being a dementia-friendly community. The people who are living with dementia and their family carers say they have a much better experience when they go into town. All the banks are dementia friendly, lots of the shops are. So people have a better experience really because they're dealing with people who understand and who've got a bit more, can give them more support if they're struggling at all. There's now a relaxed shopping session in Morrison's every Monday from 9 till 12.
There's no music, no announcements, so you can go into what is a more friendly atmosphere. They have more staff on within the shopping area, so that if you've got problems, somebody will come and be with your partner so that you can perhaps go and do your shopping. And it just makes that little hour a lot easier.
Some time ago started working in partnership with Brecon Leisure Centre, with Freedom Leisure. And once a month, on the first Monday of every month, we have dementia-friendly activity sessions. So people with dementia and their families come along. They take part in various activities. And then after the first session, we have a cup of tea and a cake. And then the carers can go off for an hour and have a swim or whatever they want to do. And we do other activities with people. So lots of things like that have grown out of it. I suppose in terms of barriers, it's just convincing people that it's a benefit to them. You know, people who are running businesses, they need to understand that actually if their customers are getting a better service, it's better for them anyway.
I've had people from other locations in Wales contact me, certainly through the surgery. When I'm doing engagement with other surgeries throughout Wales, they'll say, oh, I've been in Brecon and I've seen that all the shops and all the premises we are dementia friendly. We're making it as good as we can here, but a really good response is actually we're having a rippling effect across Wales because it is being noticed.
The whole point of it is for people who are living with dementia to have a better experience of life and to live well with the dementia, and hopefully we're supporting them in doing that.
And the more people that become aware of it, the easier it will be for people living with dementia and the carers, because it's hard for both. It's hard for the carer as well as for the person living with dementia. It's not easy.